So I'm going to be using a pen. I could use a pencil, but the one thing I want you to keep in mind is that I am not looking for perfection, as I have said before. I am looking for ideas, turning something useless, random into something that you can relate to, that you can personalize, and that is unique to your art style. So for my anger scribble, let's see what I can come up with. There we go. As you can see, it faded out here and it stops right there. So first, I have to see how to turn this angry scribble into something that makes sense to me, that clicks with me. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at it from different angles. Feel free to move your paper around to this side, to that side, flip it upside down. What can you see? What comes to your mind? So, I definitely think I do want to outline this faded line for sure. Now, when I'm looking at this scribble, I'm looking at the 3 points, at this empty space, at this empty space. Right here, we have a curve. What can this turn into? And this is exactly what I want you to do with your angry scribble. Take a look, see where it is on your piece of paper. Mine is almost in the center. And what can it turn into? Okay, so at this angle, I am seeing a cartoonish face. So that's what I am going to just go with for this exercise. So here is the transformation of my angry scribble. I have a cartoonish face that I have started, and I can continue and turn this into color. I can make specific designs that makes this face stand out because I think I want this to be white and then do different patterns, different designs, make this darker, make this empty space busier. So then it achieves that really good balance and makes this cartoonish face stick out. So how did you do with this exercise? What did you come up with? Are you still stuck? Remember, I'm not looking for perfection. Start thinking of ideas, different ideas. What does it look like? And do not compare your exercise result to any other person. You have your own unique style that I am looking to bring out in this course.